Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am going to take the part 7th of this topic, direct and indirect, for both the class 9th and 10th. Dear students, here I am going to write some examples. Let us play cricket. The second one is let me write. These are the two types here we can see. One is let us play cricket. Dear students, when there is it is apostrophe s here. Dear students, it is called contraction. Comma s we write instead of is, was, has, us. Here, dear students, each nimble would use the contraction form let us. Imbalance is like a comma s, it is called interaction, or we can say short form. Dear students, it shows suggestion. This sentence shows suggestion. Let me write. Dear students, it shows permission. Now you see, when reported speech begins with, dear students, reported speech has begun with let us, or we can say let me. How you can change direct into indirect? Dear students, here I am going to write, the captain said let us practice for the coming match. Dear students, when it begins with let us, it shows suggestion. Number first, we change said into suggested to. Suggested to is dear students. When it is followed by an object, when it is not followed, we use suggested. Dear students, the second important point, dear students, we use conjunction that. To join a reporting verb and reported speech. It is called a reported speech, it is called a reporting verb, dear students. Dear students, you must remember, let us doesn't change those subject notes, dear students. Let us doesn't change. That part is like let us doesn't change. Because let us doesn't change into we oblique they. And don't subject notes, dear students. Either you have to change we or they instead of let us, dear students. Now you see here, when we use we, when you use, dear students, when you have to use we, when you have to use they. It depends upon the, dear students, upon the reporting verb. Here the captain said, the conversation is between the captain and the players, dear students. Third person singular. The conversation is between third person singular, dear students. The captain and players of the team. Dear students, when we can change it in this way, the captain suggested that. Dear students, let us, and here he is going to suggest the players of his team. So you can use here, dear students, they, that they. One more word that we are going to use after this, post is going to use, dear students, should. As a modal verb, we use should. We have to use should, dear students. The captain suggested that they should practice. They should practice for the coming match. Dear students, one more example that I am going to give in order to clear you. If it is in that manner, in this manner, he said to me, let us go to the market. Dear students, subject is he, object is me. The conversation is between the subject and object. When the object is me, dear students, or sometimes I is used as subject. I said to her, let us buy dress. Let's buy a dress. Dear students, here the subject is I. Whether the subject is I or the object is me. Dear students, you must remember, when the object is me or the subject is I and it begins with let us, then let us change into dear students we. Then such as we must change, dear students. You must remember. You see how I am going to change here, dear students. He suggested to me. Let's just dear students. He suggested to me that. Okay? That is why use subject we. That we purchase the word use dear students should, that we should go to the market. Go to the market. Dear students, another one is I suggested to her that Kaz ninja because we use Kaz ninja, it begins with I. With I to we as we use, but as let us change we then you should, dear students, that we should buy a dress. There is one more sentence, dear students. One more type. If it is in this manner, he said, let me write. Dear students, it shows permission. Here we change said into asker. We can change reported speech in two ways. Dear students, we can either use infinitive or conjunction that. Otherwise, therefore, dear students use. It says the report is the English on therefore plus subject. Tempers can change over this. Tempers longness, dear students, number might be allowed. Might be allowed to use government, dear students. Subject part. Yes, how can we change in both various students? Here you can change that into asker, he asked. Here it is let me. It is quite different than this. When it begins with let us, it shows suggestion, dear students, who use suggested. Then we use either we are, they, then should. But in this sentence, dear students, you can either use to. If you use to, then you should not change this let. To let. You push one let me write, dear students, he. Yet just object pronoun, dear students. In direct words. You have to change it, let him write. Or if we have change it, dear students, he asked that. Let me means he, that he, then you have to use this, might be allowed. He might be allowed to write. Allowed to write. In both manner, dear students, it depends upon you which you find the easiest. Dear students, then there is another rule. The captain said, hurrah. We have won the match. Sometimes he said, alas, I am ruined. Dear students, you see here how you have to change direct into indirect. In this rule, dear students, here the word hurrah, it expresses joy. Dear students, here is word alas, it expresses sorrow, or we can say grief. Number one, HNMJ can change, dear students. The first one that I am going to second point that you must remember, we use conjunction that. We use conjunction that. And there is same rule for the different tense that I have already told you. Present simple change to past simple, present continuous change to past continuous, present perfect change to past perfect, present perfect continuous change to past perfect continuous, past simple change to past perfect, past continuous change to past perfect continuous. You must remember, dear students, these rules by heart. Then you can do easily all the rules, dear students. How you can change, dear students? The captain exclaimed. Now I have just what it expresses, it expresses joy. We can say that a captain exclaimed with joy. Then you have to use the conjunction that, dear students. Here it begins with we. We have won the match. Dear students, you have words captain sing. You should as you match ki isliye that we. You should in the third person singular, dear students, the only direct words of the captain, dear students. So you have to change here we into they. That they have to had as much change that they had won the match. They had won the match. See the another, how can we the second one? This is the first that we have changed, dear students, here. The second sentence, how it can be changed into indirect, dear students. He exclaimed. What it expresses alas expresses sorrow or grief, so we can say exclaimed with grief. Or you can write sorrow, dear students. Sorrow or grief. That. You I am really. I should, dear students, you guys change. I guys change according to subject. So, yet subject use that he. And yesterday could change, dear students, was that he was ruined. One more example that I can hear. Third one. He said, what a beautiful flower it is. When, dear students, begins with W, or we can say WH, but it is ended with this symbol. Note of exclamation, dear students. It shows, dear students, surprise. He exclaimed with surprise. With surprise that. What's the subject can use third person singular change yes, and dear students. With the acknowledgement use it, he, she, they change yes, and dear students. This one वापस देखने की इस हम को कहते हैं subject that it पर करो verb change that it was या चीज add करो dear students add verb. It was a very beautiful flower. Beautiful is adjective. We have to add here, we can say adverb, dear students. Very is adverb, it modifies adjective, dear students. Dear students, adverb modifies verb, adverb modifies adjective, adverb modifies adverb itself, dear students. Thank you.